Hello there, and welcome to Mohawk College's graphic design program. This 3-year program will build on how to bring your ideas to life and craft a visual world around you. With a strong foundation in design principles and production techniques, you'll be equipped to create meaningful designs that inspire and communicate with purpose. Learn in one of Canada's most advanced digital print learning centers, featuring industry-standard equipment for hands-on learning. Combine creativity with technical expertise as you master design software, digital printing, and web production, all while understanding the complexities of modern media. Gain professional hands-on experience by working with real-world clients in a dynamic, collaborative environment, preparing you for a successful career in the design industry. There are 3 streams that students will develop their skills in, which are the UX/UI, digital print and packaging, and illustration streams. Students will choose one of these streams to further hone your skills in areas of personal interest and career focus. Please note that enrollment in each stream is limited, ensuring focused, hands-on instruction. The streams offer specialized learning, with all students completing the same core courses to build a strong foundation in design. Here are some students' experiences in the graphic design program. So what made you choose graphic design in the first place?
I've always been into art and drawing. I remember in high school you'd always see me doodling in my notebooks, which drive my teachers insane.
And what's been your favorite project so far, and why?
I really liked the vector where we had to work on the sign, and we got to choose either a pumpkin, a ghost, or a black cat. And we get to choose the colors and put vinyl over top. I really like that. That was really fun.
That's nice. How has the program changed the way you see design day to day?
Back when we took typography, we learned all about the respectful fonts to use, the ones that make you look unprofessional. And every time I see Comic Sans out in the real world, it drives me up the walls.
And what tools or software do you use the most?
InDesign and Illustrator probably. Obviously my MacBook, that's something that's always there. In photography class, we use a lot of the cameras, and I really like that. I can take it home and rent it out at the school. That's very helpful.
Nice. What's one skill you feel you've really improved since starting the program?
Oh, definitely working with vectors and working with, what do they call them, the points. Just working with the programs in general, like the computer programs. I used to be horrible at them, but now I'm really more efficient.
How would you describe the vibe of the program, the community, the teachers over there?
Oh, the teachers are hilarious. They're really down to earth. They're easy to talk to. They go out of their way to help out the students. Everyone's really respectful, and I've met a lot of good friends here.
What advice would you give to someone thinking about joining the program?
Do not skip a single assignment. You will drown. Everything is perfectly mapped out. Don't start early, not late.
Okay, last question. If you had to sum up your experience in one word, what would it be?
Professionalism. What is a design challenge that you faced, and how did you solve it?
A design challenge that I faced was thinking about the concept itself because of like designer block and everything, but sketching out my ideas and thoughts through it helped me to...
Cool. Which class or assignment pushed you the most creatively?
I would say the illustration stream definitely pushed a lot of creative work, as we had to make our own designs per ourselves, and it's a lot more work than you think.
How has feedback from your instructors helped shape your work?
They've been pretty supportive, a lot of criticism, but also that criticism helps us a lot in improving our work in design.
What's one thing that you wish people understood about studying design?
I would say it's not as simple as one thing. There's a lot of components and thoughts that goes through it. Yeah.
And what project are you most excited to tackle next? Okay, we can skip that. I was going to say the photography side, but we're actually doing
Photography. We thank you for exploring this program and hope to see you be future ready with us at Mohawk College.